everyone, it's Miss Gloria over here at the Lancaster Rec Center. Today I'm going to show you some fun origami designs to do at the comfort of your home. Alright guys, so all that you're going to be needing for this experiment is paper, which is the printer paper, or we want origami paper, but if you cannot get a hold of it, regular printer paper works in any color that you want. So what I've done is stacked them all up together, and I drew out my shape that I'm going to need. I'm going to need a 6" by 6" square. So what I've already done is, measured it out on my piece of paper, and I'm just going to cut it out. And then this is going to be your final product. Square piece of paper. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin by cutting them out. And then we'll let the magic happen. Okay, and there we have it. We have our origami squares. Alright, so the first one that we're going to do is the puppy. It's a puppy face. It's so cute. I think your kids will have fun doing this at home. So what you would need is 2 pieces of paper. Right, so you're going to stack them together on top of each other. And then the first step we're going to do is we're going to have to fold this diagonally. So corner to corner, we're going to be corner to corner. There we go. So you're going to make a triangle. So after you've already done that, this one will begin with our ears. So you're just going to fold down the corners to make the puppy ears. Again, so remember, you have your triangle. You're just going to fold down the top corners. And that's your frame right there. Okay, once you're done, you're just going to lift up the 2 papers from the top to the bottom. And you're going to fold them 2 times. So you're going to make one little small triangle, and then you're going to fold the other one up. Like that. So you'll show the last 2 back papers like that. Okay, and that's your puppy. All you have to do is get creative and draw it. You can draw the little tongue in the bottom sheet. That's your tongue. And then this part right here will be their nose. And then you're going to draw your puppy eyes. Just 2 circles. Color them in. Or you can do whichever way you want to do your eyes, your puppy eyes. I know mine looks a little crazy, but it's okay. There you go. You have your little puppy. And then what I like to do, I add a little spots, like a Dalmatian dog. Which will make it so much cute. And there you go. That is the dog. So simple. Your kids can do as many as they want. So they can have pets that they don't have to really tend to. So that's the one origami we're doing today. The second one we're going to be doing is our frog. And this, your kids will get a kick out of it because it actually, once you push it down, it should jump forward and backwards. So let's get started. You'll just need 1 sheet of paper for that. This one gets a little bit more complicated, but it's okay. We'll get through it. So you have your square paper, and you're going to want to fold it diagonally again. So corner to corner to make one giant triangle, right? We have our giant triangle. And then we're going to fold it again to make a smaller triangle in the middle. There we go. So we have the big triangle. Now we have a smaller triangle. And then we're going to open it back up. And then we're going to bring the 2 corners from the triangle at the bottom and bring them forward to the middle of crease line. Bring in the corners. Origami is really fun because you get to make so many different things that you didn't know you were able to do, and you can do them. So we made a pentagon. We folded those corners in. We made our pentagon, right? So we're gonna flip the paper over, and then we're gonna bring that corner in to the middle crease. It's all about following the lines, guys. Following the lines. It's not that hard. So there we go. We have the body and the little legs sticking out. So you want to flip it over backwards. So that'll be your body like that. And then from here, you're going to fold it like an accordion. You fold it forwards. And you fold it backwards 2 times. And then you do a 3rd time. Because this will be your final one right here. I'm getting it all full of oil. Did not mean to do that. Right, so let's go ahead and do one more. See, that will make your frog top. Okay, so there you have it. All you gotta do is fold down these little legs of his. Fold them down. Not that perfect, but it's okay. It'll keep the kids busy and entertained. So there you go. You have your little frog right there. And all you have to do is color in the little eyes. And that's your giant frog. And you have a little baby frog right here. So now you can't really see it, but there they go. And this should hop along. Thank you for watching our videos.